Hello developers and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and I'm reviewing courses. Today I'm going to review a free course from Codecademy, and as long as I say free in Codecademy, it means that I can only do some exercises or some quizzes or some projects and not everything. As you can see here, you can upgrade to Pro, but I haven't done that and I'm not even planning to do that. So yeah, let's do the Learn Sass review. Let's start from the overview, and this time we can see the prerequisites that most of the Codecademy courses don't have prerequisites, but this time it has, and it says that you should probably learn CSS before taking this course. And if you click this link, it will take you to another course that they think that you should take. Here is the Learn CSS, and let's go to the syllabus. They have some very basic things, so I'm not sure, maybe if you already know CSS then you shouldn't take this course, but I'm not sure because I really haven't taken this course. I knew CSS before I take the Learn CSS, so this was not applicable for me. And my guess is that if you're trying to learn Sass, then you will also probably know CSS. Anyway, let's go to course outcomes. This course will teach you how to use nesting, variables, mixins, placeholders, and functions to write more expressive and reusable styles. At the end of the course, you will be able to transition a CSS code base to SCSS and style multiple websites. I like it, I like the outcome, and I can say that it's true. I mean, that's what I took at least. Something that for completely beginners, sometimes they say Sass and sometimes they say SCSS. There are differences between these two styles or these preprocessors, but let's say that Sass and SCSS in this case are almost the same thing, but almost. Now, why learn Sass? Sass is an easy-to-use styling language that helps reduce a lot of repetition and maintainability challenges of traditional CSS. Learning Sass will not only let you scale styles when working on big web development projects, it will also make it much faster and efficient to write reusable styles from scratch for smaller projects. And again, I like this approach. I think it's true, it's into the point. So let's get into the syllabus. You'll have your 4 sections. As usually, Codecademy gives you 4 sections. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. I remember that in courses like HTML and as we saw now in CSS, they have more sections. But in other cases like deploy websites, they only have 3 sections. And usually most of them are going to have a free and a paid part. And when I say paid, I mean the Pro one that you can do unless you upgrade to Pro. So let's go into the first one, your first Sass style sheet. And you will start this course with why Sass. And I think it's important before taking a course, knowing why you're going to learn something, why do you need it. So this gives you some information, and then as always Codecademy has the community forum, the report back that I don't think it's very useful in this course. You have your lectures here, it's up to 9. You can go back or next. In this case you can go back because you're already in the first one, but you can go next or get some help. Let's see this part here, and I'm going to the last one, which is Generalizations, and here you see what you have learned so far. You have your main SCSS, then the index, and then CSS, so you have a comparison between the SCSS and the CSS part. You don't have to do anything, they give you this comparison. Also in this left part here you will have a small revision or a recap that says what you have already learned. Now let's continue with this one. Well, currently I'm logged out and I wanted to show you how it looks like when you're logged out. So again, you'll have your prerequisite, the course outcomes, and why learn Sass, and then syllabus you will be able to see what it's Pro and what it's free. I don't think that I can see anything right now because I'm not logged in, so you will have the same problem. But all in all, if you like this course and if you are into CSS and that CSS, if you want to learn something that, let me say, better, because CSS and Sass and Less are better than CSS, and modern, then you should take this course. I think that you will learn a lot of stuff as a beginner's course. I didn't know a lot of things for Sass before I take this one, and I really like it, so I would totally recommend it for beginners, and maybe not only for beginners, but maybe for people that want a quick recap. So that's it, guys. I hope that you liked this course, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. I will leave in the description box the link so you can check it out by yourself. Have an amazing day and see you in the next one.